Welcome to CEM Union Payroll. This payroll module will help you accurately take care of all your union payroll needs. It can work with just one union or with 300 different unions across many states. There is no limit. It will handle all your journeyman projects, overscale situations, and complex overtime rules. It has a formula builder feature to allow you to accurately calculate all those complex union configurations and calculations. It uses project-based timesheets and union master tables, which hold your union trade codes and union information. Our Union Payroll module sits on top of the D365 platform. It is written in the same extensions as Microsoft Dynamics 365 to give you that single sign-on and seamless integration. You will not be able to tell where the out-of-the-box D365 product ends and our Union Payroll product begins. When you enter the Union Payroll module, the first thing that you need to do is set up your union table setups. This would include your union payroll parameters, your seniority codes, your labor type, your labor class, and your labor unions. Once your basic information is set up, you can then go into your union wages and fringe benefit table and start setting up your fringe benefits and your union wages. In this table, you will be able to set up all of your fringe benefits and your wages, and they could be set up by a flat amount, or it can be a percentage. You can also set up your pay type by regular pay, gross pay, hours paid, hours worked, regular hours, and you can have your overtime and double time hours set up as well. This is also where you would set up your formula builder formulas. Now that all your information is set up, let's see it flow through the payroll process. You start off with your project-based timesheets, then you create your earning statements, then you create your pay statements, and then you close your pay period. This is an example of the employee-based project timesheet. This is where your employee would enter their overtime, their double time, as well as their regular time. Overtime and double time would get a separate detail line. The timesheet can contain multiple unions, multiple projects, and multiple activities for a single project. You can have a separate detail line for each project activity and union. In this example, our employee Aiden has only worked on one project for one union and has no overtime or double time. Once the project-based timesheet is filled out, an earning statement will be created for the employee. This is an example of the earning statement for our employee Aiden. This will be showing for each day that he worked, all of his pay information, and it'll show his rate and the amount for each day. We will then go look at the pay statement for our employee. And as you can see, his pay statement will actually show his earnings, and you will see his total earnings up here for gross minus his deductions to his net pay and his contributions. The pay statement also will show you his benefit deductions and his benefit contributions. Tax deductions and tax contributions are also calculated by the system. If your union employee has worked on projects in multiple states, whether it be in the same time period or in a different pay period, each of those state tax calculations will be handled and taken out accordingly.